I've added the domains for this piecewise function in interval form because I think it's sometimes easier to see. Less than -2 is negative infinity to -2. The second one includes 2 but not 0. And the third one includes 0 and goes all the way to infinity. So if we're being asked for the limit as x approaches 0 from the left side, then we want from -2 to 0. Whereas if we want the right side of 0, we want from 0 to infinity. And so I've copied those in. Now I'm going to do the math by plugging in 0 to x squared. Well, 0 squared is 0 minus 2 is -2. And the other one is -1. These are not equal, and therefore part A, the limit does not exist, and the work you see there would be sufficient for full credit. Part B, we're asked for the limit as x approaches -2. So now we're using the upper piecewise for the left and the middle one for the right, because that is on the right side of -2. So as I set the upper one up, I'm plugging -2 into -x. Well, negative of -2 is +2. Similarly, when I plug -2 into x squared, I get 4 minus 2, which is also 2. In this case, the limit from both sides is 2, so we would say the limit equals 2. And for part C, I just have to plug 0 into the function. The tricky part is figuring out which function I plug it into. This bottom one is from 0, including 0, to infinity. So when I plug 0 in, -1 comes out.